Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Boulder Ghost Woodworks, and this is an inbox review for you here. Yep, it's a kit I got from the middle of Lidl. Airfix's 1/72 Folland Gnat T.1. Obviously, it's a gift set, so it comes with paints and paintbrush and glue and whatnot. Part number is A68224. Warnings on that side. Obviously the ends, they go like that. Whoops, if you can see it. Focus. And that side's got the colour scheme. Yeah, served with this flew with the Gnat flew was one of the initial planes that flew with the was the original plane that flew with the RAF. So I'll open up the box here. I'm not sure the tooling date for the kit. I was 2012 there. Model design and tooling 2012. Decal scheme and pack design 2024. So Folland Gnat T1, number 4 flying training school, Royal Air Force Valley, Anglesey in Wales, 1970. Yep, you know it's home to that infamously long train station in Wales. Now let's get this out of the box. And we get a paintbrush too. So we get a number 2. So that's empty. It's effectively just this is an old starter set, so obviously you know what my what it looks like, my Spitfire looks like, how simple that went together. That's the decals, again up to cartograph's usual standard. 2 instrument panels. Funnily enough, I've not built a Gnat for many years. I think the last one I built was was not Airfix, it was Matchbox. Again, bit of history. Yeah, fairly short-lived plane because it was only with it from 62 to 79. And it was superseded by the hull. All your warning signs, wash your parts. Obviously assembly guide there, very similar. Warning, the contents list, etc, etc. And the other one there, supervising adults. Again, fairly straightforward. Building up one seat, sticking it on the floor there, putting in the joysticks, painting them black. Fitting the instrument panel to the back of the pilot seat, fitting that into the cockpit. Again, fitting the front cockpit and canopy. Engine exhaust, noting the in colour of the intakes, it says white. Again, it's 29 there. Same on that side. Rinse and repeat, and then fitting the internals to it. Unusually building up the undercarriage bay there. So we've got a very strange undercarriage, the Gnat. Fitting the undercarriage, main undercarriage. Fitting the internals on one side, painted the interior. Gluing the 2 halves of the fuselage. Obviously you've got the option for the wings, the undercarriage closed or open with a stand there. Obviously drilling the holes for it there. Again, making the front undercarriage, gluing that in. main wheels going on here. Building up the wing. Then this one, fitting the wing to the fuselage. Engine exhaust. Fitting the tailplanes. Again, they're showing they should be flat. They shouldn't have any anhedral or dihedral. Putting in the pilots. Putting on a few aerials. And putting on the canopy. Again, fitting the pitot tube to the front and little bit of the front, the little clear piece on the nose there, and that's it. So let's have a look in the bag. Why am I nervous? Not shouldn't be. Put the decals back in there. Put that back in the box. Again, one bag. It's got the grey plastic in here. Take the whole lot out very carefully. There we go. No bits suicided off. That's good. There's the canopy. And there we have. So we've got 2 sprues. Yep, 2 sprues. So that's sprue A is the wings. Again, nicely detailed little wings here. Pilots. Underside of the wing. Got a bit undercarriage detail. Your bits and pieces there. A little tiny bit of flash. Again, it shows its age a little bit. But nothing that 5 minutes with the sanding stick won't sort out. And we have a Z pin there. That's it gone. So you just have to watch that bit because it won't. Obviously, the fuselage won't fit in. The undercarriage won't fit in there otherwise. Yeah. Nice looking little, lovely little aircraft. Because that is weenie. Give you an idea. I'll put it over something that's a handy example. Blink and you will miss it. It's my Spitfire. Yeah, it's a tiny plane. Again, fuselage. It's not much longer than a Spitfire. Put it like that. Right, so this is the B sprue. Again, make sure you don't cut that bit off because it's an aerial. Little bit of flash to be cleaned up on it, but it's to be expected for a kit of this age. Again, Audi tend to choose these kits. Lidl tend to choose these kits quite wisely. Obviously, I brought this one. I built the duck. So again, nice panel lines. Nice, exquisite little undercarriage detail on there. So it's lovely undercarriage. So you have to be careful taking it off because you need a very sharp pair of pliers. Obviously, we've got the drop tanks for under the wings, which don't get fitted on. Well, they do get fitted on this version. Don't show in the. Obviously, you've got to take them off there. Obviously, the interiors of the engine interiors. Very nice too. It's tiny kit. It's a dinky little kit, this. And let's have a look at the canopy for sake of the canopy. And fairly straightforward to mask up, that will be. Lovely little canopy and a little light for the front of the nose. Very nice too. Nice little canopy there. Top notch. And then, dun dun dun, we have the paints. Ooh. And the glue. Oh yeah, that works. Oh wow, that takes me back a bit. We have the paint, 4 paints here. That's white, that's the trainer red or orange. Let's have a quick look in the paint pots. Yeah, that looks fine. Obviously I won't use it. I'll probably use Outlaw for that. This is the black. Yeah, again, cool paint. And 129 is grey. Not bad. And this is the white. The white is the old type of pot. So wish me luck. Not bad. But need to clean the pot up a bit inside. So that's a quick inbox review of Airfix's Folland Gnat T.1. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye for now.